Welcome back. I wanted to show you guys the inside of the Linden. Mostly because I wanted you to guys see it, but also because I wanted to investigate a noise that's being made when this is striking. It sounds terrible, and I want to figure out why. This is not mine. I did not make this. This was custom. I think it was for W.H. Clark Jr. Because, like, the name is engraved all over the clock, even on the inside of it, the pendulum, the weights, they have it engraved on it. I'm not sure who that person is, but this was made in Germany. It's custom, I believe. It shows the movement. This is the model date. Um, if anyone could let me know what the actual date of this is, I'd be happy. And this is from a cuckoo clock, Germany, from Germany. So this was like a custom clock that was made for this, and I guess they decided to do and put this inside the case, put a custom hammers and rods on here, cause it looks like right here there's an extra hole right here, and then another one here. This could have been for bellows, and then maybe for a gong. I'm not sure, but I don't know. But I'm gonna figure out what that noise is, and then I'll come back. So I got the face off just by doing 4 screws, and the hands with the nut. And I kept on looking into it, and here's the front of the movement. It's like this all the time. Rack and snail striking, which is pretty nice with a cuckoo clock movement. And then I found out why it sounds so bad when it strikes. See that pivot right there? Right there? You see that? Watch this. This thing is shot. This thing is, oh my goodness, it's so bad. That's why it sounds so bad whenever it runs. But whenever I take on and off this guy off the wall, it takes this for like 2 weeks to get back into beat, and it's so hard to get it into beat because of how worn out it is. It's always so hard. So sometimes I just don't run it at all because I'm always annoyed at it. I really wish I could have it get back and beat better, like another one of my mechanicals. It is so easy. You just move the pendulum and it works. But it runs when it runs too. I don't know why, but that guy is shot. There's nothing I'm gonna do about this. I'm just gonna leave it like that. It was like this when I got it on eBay for 120 bucks for a family member. It was so worn out. It just didn't sound great. So I'm gonna put this all back together and put it back up on the wall. Well, it's back up on the wall and it's running. I don't know how. But as time is recording, I have to wind it, so. Let's see which one was that's the noise I was making, of how worn out it is. Well, I guess I'll just keep on letting it run like this. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna keep it in my collection for now. But thanks for watching. Sneak peek for next Tuesday's video. In depth of this guy. Stay tuned.